Hey, what's up you guys? Novice Transition here. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to give yourself injections, how to shoot up some steroids. So basically these are intramuscular injections. I'll be doing it on my thigh. So basically, clean your hands first. I have some hand sanitizer here. The first thing you want to do is get some alcohol wipes. You're going to wipe down like the middle part of your thigh, right around here. This general area is going to be where you're going to do the injection. Then you're going to be taking your vial of your medicine, clean the top off, and then you're going to need to have two different needles. A wide needle for drawing it out, and a thin needle for injecting it into your thigh, or wherever you choose to. Basically, the wide needle I'm using is 21 gauge. So basically, first you want to pull and draw like about a milliliter and a half of air. I want to inject the air into the vial to like make it easier to draw the liquid in. And then you're going to draw the liquid in. Me personally, I have to take like 1 milliliter. So I'm going to get about 1 milliliter drawn out. Alrighty, that should be good. So when you change your needles, you want to pull back on the plunger so that you draw all the air that's up here in the needle area. So that's all that liquid's drawn out, so you're not losing it when you change needles. And you're not supposed to do this, but you're actually supposed to not resheath the needle because you might poke yourself. You're supposed to put the needle into a sharps container, but meh, I don't mind the risk. So now I'm going to put on the thinner needle for stabbing myself with it. Basically this is 25 gauge if I'm not mistaken. Yep, 25 gauge. And you want to push the liquid up until you see like a little bit of droplets there, like a little drop on top. And then when you inject yourself, you're basically going to want to put some pressure. So you're going to press down and spread the skin apart like that. So basically this really helps it go in without too much suffering, I guess. See if I could properly do it this time. Alright, so you want to go perpendicular and just slowly go in. Alright, so once it's in, you want to grab it with your hand and you want to pull up on the plunger just a little bit. Alright, so you want to see if there's any blood that comes into the needle through the bottom. If you see blood, you can't inject in that leg anymore. You have to switch to the other leg because you nicked a blood vessel. But then, if you didn't, you just start injecting yourself with it. Now, I'm taking Estrogen. So, this obviously is like really thick supplement substance. So it takes a little while for it to go in. Just be patient. So almost there. Alright, make sure you get it all out. And then you want to slowly pull it up. Like that. And you should be good to go. Again, you're supposed to put this into a sharps container. You're not supposed to resheath it like this, but because you might poke yourself, and I probably have done it once or twice in the past, but meh, I don't mind the risk. So yeah, that is my tutorial on how to give yourself an intramuscular injection. Hope this was informative. It's been Almost Transition, signing off in secret. See you later.